Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to create a banner, YouTube banner, and this is going to be done in Canva. So we go to canva.com and go to your home page after you sign in or log in. So we are going to be searching for YouTube banner. As you can see, it's already there, but let me just search. So we search for YouTube banner, enter. So these are the templates. We're going to be choosing one of these templates, and hopefully we find one that we can use in this video. So you can use any according to your niche that you're in, so you choose any that you want. I'm going to be going with something about food, so I'm going to be choosing this. So it is Lucy's Kitchen. So as you can see, the words are really small, but that helps when it's displaying on smaller devices like the phone, and on big devices the words be readable. So we're not going to be changing any font. We're going to be leaving it as it is. So we're going to be putting in I'm going to be putting in a profile picture, like this part you put in your profile picture, your picture of your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be choosing a picture frame, and I'm going to size it to really be small such that it can fit with these other words, and I'm going to be going for a picture. So after this is set, you have to really size it small, because if you make it big, when you upload it and publish it onto YouTube and open it maybe like on a phone, it'd be really weird and not readable at all. So we have to choose something small. So going to photos, I'm going to be looking for a chef, since we're talking about kitchens and stuff, and we're going to be looking forward to use any image that we can use. But this part you really need to put in your profile image. So at this point you upload your image if you have one and place it in. So after tapping on the image, you move it around the frame. If you see it going into the frame, then you leave it. So that's how it's done. So as you can see, this image is so big for this frame, so we're going to be detaching it, and we want to crop it. So you can crop your image such that it takes in the part that you really want. And this is also, if you have already your image or you have a logo, you can just upload this to Canva and just place it in there and just size it to be really small. So as you can see, it kind of falls in with a green in the background. So I'm going to be not using that picture, looking for something else, or even changing everything at once. So we are going to be removing this image. So you right click on the image, detach it, and then you can delete it. And to delete this, so I'm going to be looking for you go to elements. I'm going to go to elements, then I'm going to type in chef. I want something like a logo or something, because the pictures didn't match with my background. So I have this, but this one doesn't match. I'm going to be leaving it out. So I'm going to go with the man, the first image. So this one looks better, so we're going to resize this and make sure it fits, make it really small such that it fits our words, and it has to be in the middle. So after resizing, I'm going to add elements. I'm going to add a circle to it. So I have this white circle. Let me delete this. I have this white circle, but I want it to be black, so we're going to first change the color. So you tap on the circle and then to the colors and choose black, and putting it inside, I'm going to send the circle backwards. So you tap on it and send backwards, so we have this chip in the middle on top. So I resize the circle. So you can edit this the way you want. This is just a tutorial on how you can go around certain things. So this is after resizing everything, and I changed Lucy to Dan's Kitchen. So we are literally done. So we need some space there, and we are going to be downloading this to our computer and then later upload it to YouTube. So we go to file up there, and then we go to download. So you tap on download, and as it loads your design, we're going to be choosing PNG as it's the suggested one. So after that we download. As you can see, it downloads it, and after downloads it to your computer. So we're going to be going to YouTube Studio. So this is the channel we're going to change for. It's banner. So you go to customization, tap on it. So we go to branding, and I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this banner image that's already there. So I go to remove, and then I go to upload. So here it shows you where your images are, and then you choose that image that you want to upload. So I didn't show it here, but that's what happened. So after you choose the image, it appears like this, and this is how our banner, our design looks like. So viewable on all devices, that's how it look like on a mobile device, and on desktop it will appear the larger part, and on TV that's how it will appear, like the bigger part. This is for desktop, the larger part is for TV. So as you can see, we really did a good job at this. So when you're done, you can go to done, and as it works, as you can see the change, we publish it. After publishing, went to view our channel. So this is how it looks like. So next step is going to put links. So you go to basic info and add links, as the option for links will be there. So I'm going to be adding sites. I'm going to just pick any site on Google. I'm going to search for recipes, and I'm going to choose any that I see around here. I'm going to choose this one. So this is basically going to be just finding a link, copying it and placing it into our channel. See how this looks like. So after you add a second link and the process continues, I'm going to add Instagram. So I'm going to go to my Instagram and copy the link, paste it in, and next I add a link. I'm going to go to Pinterest. I'm going to still go to recipes on Pinterest. So I'm going to be choosing 3 links. So searching for recipes on Pinterest. So I'm going to go with the first link. So I'm going to just pick this since it's for illustration. So these are the recipes of this lady, and I'm going to be using this one. So I copy it, paste it inside. So after you're done with that, you publish. So after publishing, we view the channel, and voila, here we are. So as you can see, it shows your our receipts. The first link, the name appears, and then others, they just be the icons. So we have Instagram, this is my Instagram page, we have Pinterest, and also it also takes us there. So as you can see, the lists are working so good, and this is our final product. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you love the video, don't forget to like, comment for more amazing videos, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.